Yo, what's up everyone? You just copped a fresh pair of Nike Dunk Lows, but now comes the real question: how do you lace them up to match the drip? Whether you're going for clean and classic or want that loose skater vibe, we got you covered. Let me know in the comments, do you rock your dunks for style, skating, or both? I'd love to know what country you're watching from. Now, if you're going for that chill, broken-in skater look, this one's for you. It's called the bar lace. Super minimal, super clean. It looks like this, and yeah, it gives your dunks that laid-back, off-the-board energy. Question for you guys, are you team tight lace or loose fit? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and share this with a friend who loves clever hacks. Remember, small changes make a big difference. See you in the next one.